Hi everyone, I am Gangadhar Akula. I have been in the industry for last 10 years. I'm teaching you guys C language. Today's topic is strings. Okay, what is the difference between arrays and strings? Mm, both are arrays only, mostly. Just that the strings are terminated with /0 null character. So you will see that difference. I'll just share my screen and then we'll continue from there. Okay. So you can contact us through Instagram or WhatsApp. Um, uh, okay, let's get started. Okay, strings are group of or collection of characters. String is nothing but a name, a place name, or any noun or anything enclosed between two double quotes is called strings. For example, Gangadhar is a string, future is a string, achievers is a string, academy is a string, C programming is a string, uh, learn is a string, or anything is enclosed between two double quotes is called a string in C language. The property of a string is that it is terminated with a null character. So strings వచ్చేసి last లో /0 అన్న character ఒకటి ఉంటుంది అనమాట. Okay. So let me demonstrate that all on the online GDP. Okay. So character arrays, collection of group of characters. Strings, group of characters, but terminated with /0. Okay. All right. So let me simply write a small program. Char name of 50. So strings are also declared same as the way that we declared arrays. So printf, enter a name as an scanf percentage s. So you need to remember that we have a format specifier for string, that is percentage s. So you can use percentage s to take strings as input. Okay. While you are giving name as input argument to the scanf, you need not to specify address. Okay. No need to specify address and operator because array name itself is address. Okay. So name another array kabatti array name itself is an address. Okay. That ikkada endante name annadi equals to, so name is equals to address of name of 0. So it points to the first character. Okay. So that's how you take it, and that's how you print it. All right. So you have taken a name and then you just printed it. Let's run it. Enter a name. So maybe I'll enter my name. So Gangadhar is the name. For example, if you run it and if you just enter Apple, Apple is the name. Okay. So now if you look at how this can be, the input of this can be taken in using arrays format also. Using for loop also you can take. Okay. All right. In strings, we have several functions. Those functions are like strlen, string length, strcpy, string copy, strcac, string concatenation. Several functions are there. Okay, strchr, strrchr. These are all our string functions which are defined in string.h header file. Okay, so you can use all of them. Okay, strlen is used to find the length of a string, copy a string from another string. Concatenate is like you have two strings called a, b, and result is going to be a plus b. Find a character in a string, find a character from the last in a string. There are other functions also on strings. a better version of NCPY and all. So you have. All right. So if somebody says that implement a string function strlen, so you can implement these using something like this. For int I is equals to 0, I less than say, you don't know the length, right? So you will use name of I not equals to /0. So you need to have a length variable declared with initialized with 0, and you take percentage d is the length of percentage string. So this is how you calculate the length of a string. Like initially initialize I with 0, and you iterate through the string, and whenever you encounter a /0, you are terminating the loop, and then on each iteration you are incrementing the length. So pratisari మీరు length అనేది ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేస్తున్నారు అనమాట until you reaches a null character. Okay, run చేసి చూద్దాం. Enter a name. So I entered apple. Apple has 5. Apple 5 is the length of apple. Okay. Say for example, I enter future. So 6 is the length of future. Achievers. So achievers. 9 is the length of achievers. Okay. So similarly, you can write strcpy or strcat, strchr, all these functions. Okay. Instead of writing this, you can also call a function called strlen of name. That also you can print. So for that, you need to include string.h header file. Okay. So strlen returns ld. Okay. Just let me stop here. It returns a long int, it seems. So enter a name. So I'm entering Tunga. So you will see the result that we calculated and strlen results are same. Okay. So you can either use the strlen function or you can write using this. Okay. All right. So that's how you use the strlen functions. All right. In the next video, we will discuss about multi-dimensional arrays. And for character arrays also, you can use the similar for loops. Say here you have used %s to read the string, right? For character arrays also, you can use for loop that you used for integer arrays, but you will not be getting /0 from the input. So you need to add it at the end. Okay. So maybe just for your reference, I'll just simply explain a short program. Let me write this here. Say char. Let's say you take mobile. So generally, you can also take mobile number as a string, and 30. Okay, even though the number is not 30, you can take it as a 30 large, and you can say mobile number or other number, any number which is having a many digits more than say 8, 9, 10 digits, because integer ranges are not sufficient for them. So you can take them in string to validate them. So you have taken a say char. So you can also say mobile number 10. I think that is also good enough. So for int I is equals to 0, I less than say 10, I plus plus. You have taken and scanf percentage C, comma, address of mobile of I, similar loop. All right, so you have taken input and you have printed it. So for now, what you can do is you can just comment the above block. Just to check this much of code. Okay, you have mobile number of 10 and then you have taken individual digits, you print them. Let me see. Okay, so you did not ask for any input. So maybe add a printf statement here. Enter mobile number. So enter mobile number. So 9769588729. So I enter. So it takes individual characters and prints them. So similarly, you can also read a character arrays using like a for loop. Okay, but the best one is using percentage s, because you will also have /0 towards end of your string. Okay, in previous case, scanf adds a /0 at the end of your name. Here in mobile case, there is no /0 after last character. So you passing this kind of arrays to strlen or strcp or strcat is going to be a problematic, because these strings are not ended with /0. Okay, so always the recommended approach for reading strings is using scanf with percentage s. Okay, or maybe you can read them from a file using fgets that we will reach there. Okay, so I will just uncomment it. Both of the programs are going to work. This portion I'm just commenting so that you need not to worry about while compiling. So this programming is available to you. Like there is a description in the link. Sorry, there is a link in the description. You can go through there and then execute this program. Okay, this is how you read. The key points are percentages is used to get the string input and percentages is used to print a string. And you can also use a for loop, but it does not insert a /0 towards the end of a your string. And also you can use string functions like strlen or strcpy, strcat, strchr, strrchr. These functions, all are available from a string.h header file. You need to include that before using them. You can calculate length using a for loop and using a property that the string is terminated with /0. Yeah, in this case, the mobile size is 10 only. So we have taken 10 characters. There is no space for /0. So passing this to strlen is a problem. Hope you got everything clear. Now, the similarly, the array index, the string index also starts with 0 and ends with n-1. Okay. So in the next video, we will talk about multidimensional arrays. You can click on the link, or you can go to the playlist, or you can do subscribe to our channel. All right, thanks guys. We'll see you in the next video.